Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while since I have uploaded a video, and that's because I was sick. I still am sick, but I feel a lot better now, so I thought I could film a video. And while I was sick, the only good thing that happened was I received my Style Cracker box, which is this huge box, as you can see. So Style Cracker is a subscription box, but it's not a beauty subscription box, it's a fashion subscription box. And unlike the beauty subscription boxes that come in monthly, this one can you can order it anytime you want. You have to fill in this exhaustive questionnaire that will ask for your style preferences and your body shape and everything, and then you of course have to pay a specific amount, and they will send you clothes and accessories based off of your preference and the questions that you fill in. So I decided to try it out, and to know what all I received in my Style Cracker box, please keep on watching. Style Cracker is this fashion subscription box. I basically got to know it from Instagram. Like, I had a pop-up ad on my feed from Style Cracker and Alia Bhatt was in it, so I thought I should check it out, and I ordered myself a Style Cracker box. Now, Style Cracker box basically comes in, I think, 3 variants. Like, the more you pay, the more amount of products you receive. The topmost or the most expensive one, I think, is for 5,000, wherein you get 5 products if I'm not wrong. And the least expensive one is for 3,000, which is the one that I opted for, wherein you get 3 products: a top wear or a bottom wear, whatever it may be, an accessory, and some other miscellaneous stuff. Now, even though I opted for the 3,000 one, I had some code, like you can use the code ALIA25 and you'll get a certain discount on using it. So overall my total came to, I think, 2,500. And finally, now that I have all the information given, I'm going to open this box and show you guys what I received. So opening it, the very first thing, oh, by the way, if you do not like the way this works is, if you like all the items, you can of course keep them. But if you do not like an item, like if you like maybe 1 or 2 out of all the items that you receive, you can keep the ones that you like, and you can return the rest that you do not like, and they'll pay you back whatever the amount comes to. So the very first thing that I can see is this thing. This is a bottom wear, clearly, and this is a black palazzo. Like, it's really kind of like a semi-flared palazzo, and this has these little detailing on the waist, and this one is priced at ₹1395. so this is what it looks like. It's really long, of course, and it's also really soft. The material is really soft, it's cotton. So this is the very first item. Next, moving on, I received a pair of sunglasses from H&M. This is the one that I got. This one is priced at ₹799, and this is what they look like. I'm going to try it on. So this is what they look like. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep these because I kind of do not like the animal print on it, and also I feel like the frame is not really flattering my face shape. But you never know, I may just change my mind. So this is the second item that I received, a pair of sunglasses from H&M. I'm going to keep this aside. So those were 2 items already done, and the next big item that I received is this bag, which is from Forever 21. I love this bag. This bag is so cute. Like, I'm over the whole sling bag trend, but I still want a really small bag to carry with me because I cannot work with small purses. They're just not my thing. So I was looking to buy something like this, and I'm really glad that I got this. In fact, out of all the 3 products that I received, I'm probably going to return these 2 because I do not really like. I have a very similar palazzo with less detailing, but just a very similar palazzo, so I'm going to return this. And also, like I said, the glasses do not really flatter my face shape, so I'm going to return these as well. But the bag I love. I'm going to keep it, and the price of it is not mentioned. Oh, it's mentioned. This bag is for 2,000 rupees, and I paid 2,500. So this is for 2,000, this is nearly for 1,400, and this is for 800. You clearly get a lot more than you pay for price wise. So this is the third and last major item that I received in a Style Cracker box. However, I did receive a few other extra products. I do have some other little miscellaneous things. Now, I'm not sure if you're supposed to get these every month, or it could be because this month is Alia's birthday and she is associated with Style Cracker box, so probably they sent in because it's a birthday, like a birthday present from her to all of us who subscribe. Ta-da! So the first thing that I received is this very cute notepad. It says Alia Bhatt into Style Cracker, and it's basically a notepad. So I'm going to write all my YouTube ideas in this. Hopefully I'll be more organized and more regular with my YouTube videos. So this is the first thing that I got. Next I got this headband. I think this is a headband. This is by Anushka Khanna and it's really pretty. It's really pretty. It goes almost with the t-shirt that I'm wearing. So I'm going to still open it and show you guys the thing. So this is the headband that I received, and the last product is a jewelry item. This is the thing. This is by Deepa Gurnani, and I'm not sure what this is. I'm not sure if it's a bracelet or if it's a choker, but whatever it is, it's really pretty. So this is what the jewelry looks like. I'm not sure if it's a bracelet or a choker, but whatever it is, it's really pretty. I think it's a bracelet because it fits my hand pretty well, or it could be a choker. I'm not sure, but this is the last thing that I received, and those are basically all the things I received in my Style Cracker box. And I am kind of like, I have mixed feelings honestly. Like I really love the bag. I'm willing to forgive and overlook everything that Style Cracker has sent me because of this one bag. I really love it. But the other two items, unfortunately, I'm not really fond of. I will have to return these. So kind of like 50-50 in terms of my review on Style Cracker. But if you guys want a Style Cracker box for yourself, or if you just want to check out the website, they have a really cool website, then I will have the link in the description so you can go ahead and check out or order one for yourself. And that also brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I know I've been really irregular with my uploads, but please be patient. As soon as I feel better, I will get back to uploading more videos more frequently. Until then, subscribe if you already haven't, like this video, leave wonderful comments in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!